Hello, friends. Today I have found one very nice poem on self belief. So, let me first read the poem for you and then we'll come on the topic of believe in yourself, right? Believe in yourself and your dreams, though impossible things may seem. Somehow you will get through to the goal you have in view. Mountains fall and sea divide before the one who is in his stride. Take a hard road day by day, simply sweeping obstacles away. Believe in yourself and in your plans. Say not, I cannot, but I can. The prize of life we fail to win because we doubt the power within. Champion is not one who never fails, but the one who never quits. The poem itself is self reflectory of why one should believe in ourselves, right? We should believe the power within. We should never underestimate our talents, never underestimate our capabilities, right? You should always try to push yourself out of your comfort zone. So once you start doing that, you will definitely come to realize that what potential you have. Sometimes we get amazed by our performances only. Why? Because we have never tried it before, right? So it's very important to first have that belief in our mind, in our heart, that yes, we can do it. So once that belief develops in our heart, in our mind, then nothing can stop us to achieve anything, right? So till now, if you have never decided, never thought of that I can do anything, this, so challenge yourself, right? Challenge, give yourself challenges, give yourself a try at least. What will happen? At most you will be failing in that. So failures are the first step towards success. Do you know that? Right? So if you fail for once, if you fail for twice, thrice, or 10 times also, you should not stop. You should never quit. You should always believe that there must be something has left to accomplish my goal or to accomplish what I'm dreaming of. So find out what that thing is lacking in that particular effort. So once you find out that effort, what is lacking, right? So you, if you find that lacking thing, and then again you will put effort with that fulfillment, I am 100% sure that we are going to achieve what you have thought of, right? So never think of giving up. Always believe in yourself. I can do it. मैं ये कर सकता हूँ. And many a times it happens. Many people they say, "Hare, I am so much afraid of speaking on mic or going on stage. I cannot speak." But once they try, it may happen they fumble, they feel a little underconfident, but they just a start is needed, right? Once you start, you will learn how it feels on the stage. And slowly, gradually, when you practice it, you will be going to master it, right? So don't think of results, what is going to happen, because those results they will create a kind of fear in your heart, and which ultimately stops you to believe in yourself, right? So it is very important that you believe in yourself without any fear, and for that it's very important to get off from a mindset of fearfulness. Don't have any kind of fear. Just have a faith in yourself that yes, you are going to do it and results will be fantastic. Stay, be positive, right? No need to just expect negative results. Oh, what if I could not speak? What if mic will stop working? Or what if people will start laughing? Don't think of that. Just take the mic, go on the stage, and rock the floor, right? There's a song also called Spotlight, right, by Madonna. Spotlight shining up to you and me. Spotlight, this world is yours and mine. Spotlight, no one knows you better than you know yourself. Choose your own music Make your own dance when you feel the rhythm. I'll be by your side, baby. That's the power that is loving in your stride. Everybody is a star, everyone is special in their own way. So you set your goal high and go far. Don't step in tomorrow. What you can do today, spotlight. Happy goal setting, right? And happy belief in yourself. Thank you.